Direct Air and Pipework, a name that has been synonymous with the installation and servicing of compressed air equipment for the past 10 years. Our aim is to provide the highest level of support for all of our customers, offering a complete compressed air service from one source. Our highly skilled service department provides support at all levels, including reconditioning. Call out on a 24-hour basis and fully inclusive service agreements for all of your system compressed air equipment. Our ability to provide a total engineered solution for compressed air projects is second to none. Whether working with modern aluminium systems or more traditional steel pipework, our installation team will ensure that the end result is always of the highest quality. Epson, a major manufacturer of printer ink cartridges located in Telford, where there is a typical example of our turnkey project abilities, including their recent upgrade of compressed air equipment. The installation of 2 high-capacity externally heated desiccant air dryers and a new control system has resulted in major energy savings for this company. Whether your requirement is for a minor system upgrade or a total new system, Direct Air and Pipework's reputation to carry a project from initial discussions through to completion is always carried out with the utmost levels of professionalism.